Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brandon and this is Style So Dapper. Today I got another gentleman's box for you guys. This is the January 2019, and as you know, this is probably one of my favorite boxes to get every month. And let's just jump right into it, open this up and see what we got inside. Also guys, real quick, if you are new here, I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you can always be notified when I put out a new video. We talk about men's fashion, lifestyle, and grooming, and unboxings like this. And hit that like button if you haven't already, and comment. Let's go back. Alright, so that box was pretty awesome. The socks and that tie was a killer combo in my opinion. And that tie clip was kind of cool. The umbrella, that was pretty cool. But if you guys are interested in those boxes, they are, if you want to pay monthly, month to month, is $29 a month. And they're supposed to send you $100 worth of stuff in that box. Now, if you were to pay full retail price, it probably would be about $100, but you're getting the value. $29 is about as what the stuff is worth in the box. You can also do the whole year, which will end up being like $300 a month. 29, same price. I just do the month to month. They also have a premium box, which I haven't really looked into that yet, but I know it's just more money and you get more stuff. It's a bigger box. And you can also buy previous boxes if they have them. Sometimes they'll have them, on sale, the previous boxes, as far back as 6, 7, 8 months ago. So you should definitely check out their website. It's pretty cool, and I'm a big fan of the boxes. I'm thinking about doing Spreeza box, if you guys have ever heard of them. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should do those too. But anyways, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and I'll see you guys next time.